Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics that matter: printer connection, firmware compatibility, and driver. Once done, open your slicer and import the SDL or OBJ file. You want correct scale and orientation so parts fit. Make sure to choose the filament profile and nozzle size. This sets flow and retraction defaults. Also set layer height like 0, 2 mm, and appropriate bed and nozzle temps. These choices control surface quality and adhesion, so adjust now before slicing to avoid rework. Now you slice with intention. Pick infill percent and pattern to balance strength versus print time, and increase wall count where load is expected. Then address overhangs, enable supports, and set the overhang angle and density. Choose easy remove anchors if appearance matters. Next, refine print speeds, retraction length, and fan curves for your filament so stringing and layer adhesion are minimized. Once these settings are tuned, preview the toolpath layer by layer to spot issues before exporting G-code to the printer. Transfer the G-code using SD, USB, or Wi-Fi and verify the file loaded correctly. When printing starts, watch the first layer closely. Proper bed leveling and nozzle distance are crucial for adhesion, and consistent extrusion ensures dimensional accuracy. If you see gaps, squish, or detachment, pause quickly. Adjust Z offset a fraction, confirm bed temperature, or re-slice with modified settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if stringing or blobs appear, lower print temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.